बाप संकल्प आमोणकर.
Speaker sir, illegal operation of taxi by Taj India counter at Dabolim Airport. Attention of the House is drawn to the serious plight of local taxi operator at Dabolim Airport due to alleged illegal operation of prepaid taxi counter operated by Taj India Tour. It is reported that the Taj taxi counter operated through their proprietor Mr. Ranbir Singh signed agreement with the local taxi operator for engaging their taxis and charged them rupees 1 lakh per operator and failed to fulfill the contractual agreement by not using their taxis and not returning their money, thereby cheating, committing fraud and criminal breach of trust. It is also reported that the said entity now operates its own fleet of taxi at the airport, thereby depriving local residents and duly registered taxi operator of their legitimate livelihood. It is further alleged that the driver engaged by this operator are from outside state and do not possess valid taxi license, badges and do not have police clearance certificate. Additionally, it is alleged that the approved and notified fare structures are not being followed, resulting in tourists being charged exorbitant and arbitrary fares, which has also tarnished the image of the state. Steps the government intend to take in this regard.